My dear friend, we don't bring Imam Bukhari to do religious prayers. We do not use religious cards to go to Ajamgarh to do sajda there. So please, Mr. Syed Siddiqui, I think you do get confused, unfortunately, by moving around into too many parties. No, you have moved around so many parties that you do get confused whether you are Samajwadi Party, you are a BSP, or you are RLD.
I would like to make a brief intervention in this entire duet which is going on. You see, if these people who are fighting on a non-issue, now I would like to know from Shahid Siddiqui, their Honorable Leader Mulayam Singh has said those women who educated women who will be raped will be given job preferences in Uttar Pradesh.
I think
now,
it clarified.
If this is the sensitization of the political leadership of the Samajwadi Party, if they have a future, then UP will have no future. I can say this with guarantee, because this kind of desensitized political leadership will lead UP to Jungle Raj, and which will not be in the interest of neither the women nor any of the oppressed sections of Uttar Pradesh.
The rape has increased tenfold, and what we have said is that those women, Dalit women who have been raped in Uttar Pradesh under Mayawati, we will help them in whatever way possible.
That means you want the women to be raped and then you will give them jobs. You should,
if they want jobs, we will give them a job. What's wrong with that?
If any women is raped, this should not be the reason to give employment, whether it is Dalit, whether it is any other women. So therefore, Samajwadi Party
my question to the BSP tonight is
criminalized politics. People of Uttar Pradesh know
my question to the Samajwadi Party.
You carried the
1 minute. Gentlemen, please calm down. Please calm down. My question to the Samajwadi Party is 1 minute, sir.
Of his program.
One last question, please. It's all right. Last question. I am okay. You can have strong views. I just don't want any misrepresentation of fact. You have your strong views, and I know that as the debate for Uttar Pradesh increases, the debate will polarize. It's inevitable. We have seen it before. My question to the BSP is, sir, where is your manifesto?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you have a manifesto?
Yes. BSP believes. Now, I'll come to that. Now, insofar as the manifestos are concerned,
let him answer for himself, Mr. Siddiqui. Mr. Siddiqui,
parties bring out.
Let him reply.
You are not.
Let him reply. Let him reply.
I have a right to answer it.
Yeah, let him reply.
You have raised the question. I have a right to answer it.
Manifesto is Mayawati. Manifesto is Mayawati.
That is only manifesto they have. Our deeds speak for itself. We have shown that in the last 20 years that we have been speaking through our deeds. We don't speak through words. And therefore, in the last 5 years also, Manyvar Kashiram University, Manyvar Kashiram Awas Yojana, free scholarships to the young girls in Uttar Pradesh. Then we have given all kind of benefits to the underprivileged sections belonging to all caste and communities in Uttar Pradesh. So therefore, our deeds are there. The people of Uttar Pradesh will decide on the basis of our deeds, not on the basis of false promises made in these election manifestos.
Okay, gentlemen.
And in the past, the election manifestos have none of these election manifestos have been fulfilled. None of these election promises have been fulfilled. Therefore, we will, in this election of 2012, gain
I can see
support from the people of Uttar Pradesh.
I can see the debate is.
You can never get a sane debate out of Uttar Pradesh.
No, I am only wondering today. The people of Uttar Pradesh, please don't take it badly. All the people of Uttar Pradesh will say, wonderful that elections are here. If elections did not come, we would not get, rice and wheat at 1 or 2 rupees a kilo, laptops at 2,000 rupees, or I think notepads are being given at 4,000 rupees. I think the BJP also, if I'm not mistaken, Siddharth Nath Singh has thrown in a free, has also said we will give you cows. We will give you. I mean, there is no SOP.
No, there's nothing. We have done it in Chhattisgarh. We have
there is no SOP.
We have done in Chhattisgarh, and we believe in that.
Yeah, so I'm not.
Therefore, there's nothing wrong in it.
Kapil said that we'll give a tablet to everybody for 1,000 rupees. You didn't question him. Kapil Sibal said that in Delhi that every child will have a tablet for 1,000 rupees. You didn't question that.
I think we say that you must bring a little
it's fantastic. I don't know why you don't all want.
Monopoly to modernize.
No, one second. Once everybody has a job.
Please understand.
No, once everybody.
All political parties will give something or the other through their manifestos.
Sure.
But the proof of the pudding is in eating, and what we are offering is our track
when
record
Rajnath
beat
Singh-
Gujarat on 24/7 on electricity. Our
When
track
Rajnath
record
Singh-
of giving cows in
You are offering
Chhattisgarh. Our track record of
dung.
Ladli Lakshmi in Madhya Pradesh.
You are
Our
offering
track
cow dung to the
record of
people.
creating 2,500 kilometers of road in
Nothing else.
Himachal Pradesh. That is what we are promising. So look at
Why
our track
don't you
record.
offer-
What
When
we have
Rajnath
promised
Singh-
in the manifesto, we will do it.
1 minute. When Rajnath Singh was chief minister, he didn't have the vision to give wheat at 2 rupees, rice at 3 rupees. He didn't give free cycles. He didn't give free laptops for students. He didn't give a free cow. He didn't give free medical treatment to all families. He didn't give notepads.
You do not.
You cannot remember everything on the eve of the election.
When Rajnath Singh was there,
Yeah.
Arnab, let me put it a little differently. When Rajnath Singh was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, then Mr. Arnab Goswami was not sitting on the Times Now and debating about UP.
No.
You were debating something else. So things do change over a
Certainly.
period.
Certainly.
The circumstances bring into new
That was
manifestos.
the
There is a
worst
vision
people
which needs to
period.
be brought into your UP.
You know why
and,
people of Uttar
and what you
Pradesh have
need to bring
rejected
in is the
BJP?
development.
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, why people of Uttar Pradesh have rejected BJP? If Rajnath Singh was so great, if Kalyan Singh was so great, your graph has come down constantly.
Thank you.
People of Uttar Pradesh have realized that BJP cannot deliver.
Thank you.
It's a
Thank you
party
for blaming.
make
Thank you for
work
blaming.
from-
Thank you. Thank you. On a lighter note. On a
Put
lighter
that
note.
question back to you, Mr. Said Siddiqui, and you will get an answer. What
On a
happened
light-
to 2007
on a lighter note.
to Mulayam Singh Yadav?
Can I, on a lighter note? On a lighter
Everybody
note.
can say what will happen on 6th of March.
On a lighter note, gentlemen, on a
Everybody
lighter
can say
note,
that. So
thank
if
you
there-
for
there's no
blaming
need for
me.
debate.
Thank you for blaming me, Siddharth Nath Singh. On a lighter note, don't respond to this. Thank God you're not blaming Steve Jobs, because I thought you were about to say Steve Jobs didn't invent iPads and iPods. Otherwise, we would have promised iPads and iPods in the Uttar Pradesh election as well.
I thought, but
Gentlemen,
poor he is not alive.
Yes.
Poor he is not alive, so I didn't want to raise it to them.
thank you very much for joining me on the UP debate tonight. It's going to warm up here on this channel. Gentlemen, thank you very much.